Goosebumps are a physiological response that is seen in humans and many other mammals, including dogs and cats.
When we experience certain emotions or sensations, such as fear or cold, tiny muscles at the base of our hair follicles contract, causing the hair to stand up and creating the characteristic bumps on our skin. This response is believed to have evolved in our ancestors as a way to make them appear larger and more threatening when faced with predators. The mechanism behind goosebumps can be traced back to the sympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for the body's fight or flight response. When we perceive a threat or danger, the sympathetic nervous system kicks in, causing a cascade of physiological responses that prepare the body to fight or flee. One of these responses is the contraction of tiny muscles called erector pili, which are attached to the base of each hair follicle. When these muscles contract, the hair stands up, causing the skin to become bumpy or goosebumpy. This response is seen in many mammals and is thought to have evolved as a way to make the animal appear larger and more threatening to predators. When an animal is frightened or threatened, its hair stands up, making it look bigger and more intimidating to potential attackers.
While goosebumps may have been a useful adaptation in our evolutionary past, they serve little purpose in modern humans.
In fact, some people may even find them to be a nuisance, particularly when they occur in response to cold temperatures or other non-threatening stimuli.
Despite their lack of usefulness, goosebumps remain an interesting and intriguing physiological response.
Scientists continue to study the mechanism behind goosebumps, as well as other aspects of the body's fight or flight response, in order to better understand how these systems work and how they can be manipulated to improve human health.
In addition to their evolutionary origins, goosebumps may also have cultural significance in some societies.
In certain cultures, goosebumps are believed to be a sign of spiritual awakening or enlightenment, and may be seen as a positive sign of spiritual growth or progress. Overall, the fact that humans inherited goosebumps from our ancestors as a way to appear more threatening when faced with predators is a fascinating insight into our evolutionary past.
While this response may no longer serve a useful purpose in modern humans, it remains an interesting and intriguing physiological phenomenon that continues to capture the imagination of scientists and laypeople alike.